This class is about sequence setting. I am telling you what is sequence while you are seeing in this timeline. This is a sequence setting. So look at this area. This is called timeline, and this whole bunch is present in the timeline. These are tracks in the timeline. They are vertical tracks, and this is a sequence in the timeline. Now, what is the sequence? A sequence is a thing that holds your video, audio, and other media assets. It is essentially a timeline where you arrange and edit your clips and to create a finished video project. Sequence. What is the role of sequence? Sequence allows you to organize and control the flow of your footage and effects, transition, audios, and other enhancements. What we can do if we want to create a sequence? First of all, if you want to know about sequence, look at this project panel. Here you can see a little icon. This is our video assets. Here you can see a little icon. What is this? This icon is about sequence setting. When we set our sequence, for example, this is our sequence setting. This is our sequence setting. And now there is no sequence. If you want to create the sequence, there are many options. First of all, if we want to create any sequence, we double click on it, and here we can see a sequence. New item. When you open the new item, you can see sequence. Click on this. This is a sequence setting. Sequence presets settings. Now look at this. This is actually a sequence setting. Here you can see editing mode. Look at these frame rate ratios. If you want to frame rate 25%, 30, 50, 59, 60, but I'm going to choose 29.97 frames per second. This is frame size. Actually, I am using a YouTube frame size. I'm choosing this frame size 1920 and 1080. This is vertical 16:9 ratio. What is pixel aspect ratio? Square pixel, fields, no fields, progressive scan. And if you want to upper fields first, lower field first, but I have chosen no field. Actually, this is customized. If you want to change, you can change everything. If you want to change, you can change frame size, time, editing mode, fields, display format. But now this is customized setting. If I want to change Insta setting, I want to change reel setting, and whatever I want to change, I can change from this frame size, time base, and from the editing mode. Now look at this audio setting. Sample rate 48,000 hertz, or if you want to change, you can change 41. Display format audio samples. I am not clicking on this because this is customized and I only want to use this audio samples. Video previews, preview file format, QuickTime, code, this width, height, and if I want to change my width and height, I can change and reset it. So this is a save preset. If I want to change this setting, this is a save one. Now I am going back. Another option where you can find this sequence setting. Look at the top menu bar, and here you find sequence. This is a sequence setting. You can easily go there and set your sequence. There are three lines. Click on them and you can see their close panel. I already told you about close panel, undog, panel group settings, and this and that. So this is the sequence. If we want to change, I can change, and if there is a there if you want to close, you can close it from there, and nothing is there to show for you. So here you can see this is for sequence setting. When we click on this, this setting appears in front of us, so close it. That this is our source area, and here we can see this is the name of this video. So if we drag and drop this video, this name is automatically appear on this timeline area. So click on this, and here we can find the name of this video. So this is all about sequence. If we want to change sequence setting, actually we want to change the resolution. If we want to change FB setting, YouTube setting, Reel setting, or Insta setting, we can change from the sequence setting. From here we can say change frame sizes. Here we can change pixel size while we are using camera. Here we are change display format while we are using camera, and here we can change the audio setting. So this is our sequence setting. This icon is different than other. Why? Because this is a sequence setting icon. Here is already a sequence I have made. So this is a sequence, and these are all images and videos. I hope you can understand about the sequence and its setting. But if you want to change anything in your sequence, you can easily change your sequence setting.